Hello everyone! In today's video, we will completely understand the science and psychology behind consistency. It's a familiar story for many of us. We set a target, we're fired up, ready to hit the ground running. 10 days pass, we're still going strong, but then life happens unexpected. Hurdles appear, our enthusiasm wanes, and we find ourselves slipping back to square one. It's not the lack of ambition or the size of the goal that's the issue. The true culprit here is consistency. Or rather, the lack of it. Consistency, my friends, is the secret sauce to achieving any goal. It's the steady drumbeat that keeps us moving forward step by step, day after day. It's the force that propels us from where we are to where we want to be. But maintaining consistency, now, that is a challenge. It's like trying to keep a campfire burning. You can't just light it up and expect it to keep burning forever. You have to keep adding fuel to it, stoking it, nurturing it. It requires attention and effort. So how can we cultivate this elusive trait of consistency? The first step is to set a SMART goal. SMART: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. A SMART goal is like a roadmap. It outlines the destination clearly, sets the milestones, and plots the journey, making it easier for us to stay on track. Let's say you want to start a fitness regimen. Instead of a vague goal like "I want to get fit," a SMART goal would be "I want to run 5 kilometers in under 30 minutes by the end of next month." It's specific, measurable, achievable, relevant to your fitness aspirations, and time-bound. By setting such a goal, you're not just dreaming about the destination, you're planning the journey as well. Remember, the first step to maintaining consistency is setting an achievable SMART goal. Now that you've set a SMART goal, let's delve into the strategy to maintain consistency. First off, let's talk about visual reminders. You see, out of sight often leads to out of mind. So to keep your goal front and center, write it down on a big poster and proudly display it on your wall. This isn't just a decoration, it's a powerful statement of intent. Every time you see it, you'll be reminded of what you're striving for. It's a constant nudge, pushing you towards your goal. Now, let's move on to tracking progress. Here's where a calendar and pen come into play. Each day, you make progress towards your goal, mark it on the calendar. This isn't just a record, it's a visual representation of your dedication and hard work. It's a testament to your perseverance. Next, we have daily and weekly tracking. Break down your goal into smaller, manageable tasks and track your progress daily. Then, at the end of each week, review your progress. This is a time for reflection and adjustment. If you're falling behind, identify the challenges and tweak your strategy. If you're on track, take a moment to acknowledge your efforts. Now, here's an important aspect of maintaining consistency: celebrating small victories. As you mark off each day on the calendar, take a moment to celebrate. This doesn't have to be a grand celebration. A simple pat on the back will do. The idea here is to reward yourself for your efforts, to create a positive association with the pursuit of your goal. This will fuel your motivation and keep you going. Remember, consistency isn't just about discipline, it's also about joy and satisfaction. So, embrace the journey, celebrate your progress, and reward yourself along the way. A visual reminder of your goal and tracking your progress are two integral parts of maintaining consistency. And with these tools at your disposal, you're well on your way to conquering any challenge that comes your way. Having a plan and tracking your progress are great, but there's one more element that can significantly boost your consistency: accountability. Now, what is accountability? It's the willingness to accept responsibility for one's actions. It's about being held answerable for accomplishing a goal or task. And here's where an accountability partner comes into the picture. Imagine having someone who shares your passion for growth, someone who understands your goals and the path you're treading. This person is your accountability partner. They're not there to judge you or criticize your efforts, but to provide genuine support and encouragement when you need it most. Having an accountability partner is like having a co-pilot in your journey towards consistency. This partner knows the destination, understands the route, and ensures you're on track. If you veer off course, they're there to gently guide you back. They celebrate your victories no matter how small and provide that extra push when the going gets tough. You see, when we share our goals and progress with someone else, we feel an enhanced sense of commitment. we're motivated not to let down the other person, which in turn makes us less likely to let ourselves down. The result? Our consistency levels improve. So how do you find an accountability partner? It can be anyone who shares or respects your passion for self-improvement. It could be a friend, a family member, a coach, or even a dedicated group online. The key is to have someone who can provide that extra layer of motivation and keep you accountable. Now, remember, accountability is not about blame or guilt. It's about staying true to your commitments and having someone to share that journey with. It's about harnessing the power of mutual growth and understanding that it's okay to seek help. So go ahead, find that accountability partner. Share your goals, your plans, your challenges, and your victories. Let them be part of your journey towards consistency. Accountability can be a powerful tool in your journey towards consistency. So use it, embrace it, and watch as it propels you forward. Let's quickly recap what we've learned about maintaining consistency. This journey of self-improvement and goal achievement is not an easy one. It's filled with trials and tribulations, but with the right strategies, we can overcome these challenges and stay on track. Firstly, we need to start with a SMART goal. Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Don't aim for the moon right off the bat. Instead, let's focus on a goal that's within our reach, a goal that's meaningful and can be accomplished within a reasonable time frame. Once we have our SMART goal, it's time to make it visible. Write it down on a large poster and put it up on your wall. Let it be the first thing you see when you wake up and the last thing you see before you sleep. This visual reminder will help you keep your objective fresh in your mind. Now let's talk about tracking progress. This is crucial to maintaining consistency. Take a calendar and a pen, and every day you accomplish your task, make a mark. This physical act of marking your progress will give you a sense of satisfaction and drive you to keep going. Don't forget to track your journey not just daily but weekly as well. Celebration is also a part of this journey. Whenever you achieve a milestone, no matter how small, celebrate it. Reward yourself. This will boost your morale and motivate you to keep pushing forward. Lastly, let's not forget the power of accountability. Find a buddy, someone you trust to keep you on track. Share your goals with them and let them help you stay motivated and focused. In conclusion, achieving consistency might seem like a daunting task, but it doesn't have to be. By setting SMART goals, creating visual reminders, tracking your progress, celebrating your victories, and having an accountability partner, you can build and maintain consistency. Remember, consistency may be a challenge, but with these strategies, it can become your strength. Start today and see the difference consistency can make in your life.